Hey vloggy vlog. It is super early and I have a muy interesting vlog for you all today. Right now I am getting ready for yet another house tour. I'm going to walk you all through this house and I'm actually very excited about this house. But I'm also not knocking out the last few homes I went to go look at. At least one of them is definitely still in the running right now, which is so exciting. And yeah, but right now I'm just getting ready. I'm also uploading the YouTube video that's going up today. It's a good time over here. If you're not subscribed, hey, I'm Anna Nicole. I didn't even do that part. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Anna Nicole. Yeah, I don't even know what I say after that. It's way too early for all of this hype. But yeah, I'm just going to finish getting ready really quickly because this is kind of slowing me down. I think I'm gonna go a little different with my outfit this time and wear like this top with some, not these shorts, but with these shorts. I feel like that'll look kind of cute together. Oh my goodness, so I rushed all the way over here because I thought I was like running behind. I thought we were meeting at 11:15. We're actually meeting at 11:45. I just reread the text. So I got there exactly at 11:15, but now I guess I have enough time to go grab a drink. I definitely need to work on my YouTube video, like the thumbnail and stuff. Oh my gosh, that means I have to upload that a little bit later because it's not gonna be ready to go up at 12. Oh. That's so frustrating. But yeah, we're out of the house. I decided against what I showed you guys and basically put on the exact same thing I had on the last time, which actually makes a lot of sense because I didn't have to think that much anyway. But yeah, so I'm going to go to Dunkin' Donuts and get myself a nice little refresher for literally no reason at all, except for the fact that I'm out and I have nothing to do until 11:45 and I don't feel like going back home. Okay, could I do a blood orange refresher and some hash browns, please? I decided I was gonna upload my video a little bit late today. Typically goes up at 3. I don't know why I wanted to upload it at 12 today, but it'll be going up at 3. I was definitely stressing myself out trying to get it all up right now, but yeah, so I have about 15 minutes before I have to be at the property, so hopefully my food comes out pretty quick and then I can just flip over there and yeah. That literally took so long. And I was just like, okay, noted. I will have to go through the drive-thru from now on. Because, like, the drive-thru is so quick. But, like, and it was funny because it's like, they're in there working so hard, and it's like, what are you working on? Why have I been here for 30 minutes waiting on a refresher? But anyway, the refresher is really good. So I'm happy about that. Also, I got some hash browns. I'm happy about that. And, the person who's showing me the home said she's gonna be late as well, so I was happy about that. Actually, I'm not late just yet. I have about 2 minutes and I'm about 2 minutes away, so I'm not late just yet, but she said she will be late and that means I'm gonna get there first, which I'm also happy about. But yeah, I will definitely always go through the drive-thru, but I forgot how cheap and like good their Dunkin' Donuts breakfast is. I always just like don't go there because I like Krispy Kreme better. One second, I think she's calling. Oh wow!
In your entire life, and he hasn't.
Yeah, this is pretty much done. I mean, it just needs
That's right here.
you know, whatever you want to put on it.
Right.
As cosmetic. Now, what I'll explain here, again, this was an apartment on the 3rd floor.
Gotcha.
So, there's just a closet here.
Oh, okay. Okay. I was gonna say, are there stairs?
No, but the current owner used it as single family, and her son lived on the 3rd floor and rented out bedrooms. But the good thing about this property is if you wanted to have it back as a triplex, it has all the fire exits, it has a full bathroom on each floor, and a full kitchen.
Got it. Here, there's a closet door.
They did the floors, the tile, they did the cat kitchen.
Wow.
The laminate floors. So all this stays. Appliances.
Yeah, I was gonna say, does all of this stay?
Okay.
Okay.
And then the eat-in area here. here.
Mm-hmm.
And then laundry here. And then
This stays too?
Yeah,
Everything.
see all the parking out there. On this floor, you could, since there's an even area, you could make one of these a bedroom. It doesn't have a closet.
Okay.
But
yeah, I didn't even notice that when I walked in here.
I would probably use this as a bedroom since it's close to the bathroom, and then this is the living room. The central heat and air throughout. Let's see. So walk up the stairs. Now, when it was used as 3 apartments, this was locked, so no one could get in.
So how would those people get in?
Everyone has a back entrance.
Okay.
So I'll show you. Yeah.
Cool.
So all you have to do is lock that, or like secure it a little more. But you know, these floors need a little work, but a little bit of refinishing or whatever you want to do. Here's the exit. Here's an exit.
And then this is the closet, I'm assuming.
Yeah, so this is a bedroom. And then here's another bedroom.
Wow.
Yeah. And then another little bedroom if you wanted to say it. I mean,
Wait, so 3 bedrooms on 1 floor?
Yeah. So you could rent it as a 3-bedroom. So it's technically 3-bedroom with closets.
Got it.
Listed. I have it listed as residential, a residential listing, and I also have it listed as a multi-dwelling listing.
Got it.
So I'll email both of those to
This
you.
is...
And then here's whatever, whatever you want.
Whatever I
That's
want
the
it to be.
entrance to the 3rd floor. But
And then-
again, this would just be secured.
And then how many rooms are up there?
It's I'll show you in a second.
Okay.
Yeah, whatever. So here's the full bath on this one.
Wow.
Kitchen. Washer dryer hookup. So every floor except for the 3rd has a washer dryer hookup.
Okay.
Yeah. Then there's the electrical panels and all that.
Not separate meters, so I have to factor all that in. Okay.
Yeah. So this is the 3rd, and he used this kind of as like a bedroom / office area.
Okay. Okay, so
Closet
then
area.
just a huge... So it's 1 room on the top floor.
And then, light. Okay, and then just a little kitchen.
And then a small kitchen.
Everything stays full bath in here.
That's good.
And then here's your exit.
That was a lot. The last home that I just looked at was definitely a lot to take in. I loved it. I really did love it, but it was just a lot. I'm waiting on the realtor to send me the paperwork so that I can like actually look at it and know exactly what I was looking at, because right now it's seeming like there are 6 rooms, 3 full baths, and then it's a triplex, so I will be able to, I have the option of like completely separating all 3 floors and just having 3 separate apartments. So I don't know. That seemed like a lot, but actually, I mean, I think I really like it. So I'm just waiting now to get the paperwork on that. And then I'm also waiting to hear back from the bank. But in the meantime, I'm going to go take some photos. I got this graphic tee the last time when I was with Courtney when she was in town. So, and I think I want to wear this and maybe this. Okay, so I put on the outfit. I kind of like the outfit. I think it's kind of cute. Definitely different for me. But I switched my earrings, obviously, and I feel like it definitely added to the outfit, period. Now I'm just putting on a bunch of jewelry for absolutely no reason at all. And yeah, I'm just gonna go out, take this photo, because this photo will be the next one I post. Okay, so I got my tripod, I got the video up, I got literally everything. I'm on a roll today. Now it's the embarrassing part, because with my tripod, I'm going to go take some photos, but it's photos in front of people. And now it's only 2 o'clock, 2:22. I'm gonna make a wish. Now, it's only 2 o'clock, so I am hoping that people are still at work and nobody will, like, people won't be like staring me down as I'm taking these photos. But also it's 2 o'clock on a Friday. So actually I think where I want to take my photo is literally right here. And yes, there are people sitting there. Since there are people sitting there, I'm going to spin the block and see if there's like somewhere else that's like also pretty for me to take a photo, because what I don't want, I mean, do I actually care with them sitting there, or I don't know if I actually care. I don't know, but I will let you know where I'm taking my photo. I found it, and it's not where a bunch of people are sitting. As soon as I like ended this vlog, I like looked over, and that's perfect. That's exactly the vibe I'm going for. So, one second, let me park. Put my tripod. I need to fix really quickly. Honestly, I don't even need the camera. I mean, the light part. Yeah, the light part has this annoying cord on it. I can take this right back off and just bring the tripod. Perfect. That's even better. That was so awkward for what? But I got a phone call, so I had to get in my car. And I was looking at what I took, and they're all right. Like, I could do better. Why is this like this? I don't know. What's the tea, Brittany? Anyways, yeah, they're all right. I just feel like I could do better. So unfortunately, even though that was very awkward, I have to get out here and take more. Let me see if I have like lip gloss. Someone just recognized me. Oh my gosh, that is so awkward. Oh my gosh. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna get back to these photos and try not to be awkward this time. That was awkward. I'm done. Hopefully I like these, because we're done. I'm done, you're done. Oh my gosh. And this is just so happens to be a very busy intersection, fun fact. So there are people from everywhere watching me, and I don't know how I feel about that. I don't know, but we're done. After embarrassing myself, you know, just a little bit, like I do so well. I was about to walk into the gym, and I realized I never even updated you guys. I have been at home on the phone with my sister, and then I got dressed while we were on the phone and drove to the gym, and now I'm at the gym. So I've been a horrible vlogger, but we're at the gym, baby. About to get paid in full, and I don't actually think I think I'm going to do a separate workout video. So I don't think I'm gonna vlog this part either. But yeah, I will get back to you guys. I don't know. Update, I am back home, obviously, and I am actually, I'm rushing because I'm going to go meet up with Andie to get food, so you guys will get to see that. I was wondering where this vlog was going. Like, sometimes I just vlog and I have no idea, like I have no plan. The vlog just goes in whatever direction it goes in. But Andie was open to getting something to eat. Actually, she really wanted something to eat too. So that's what we're going to do. I'm just touching up my edges after, you know, sweating it out and everything, and looking a hot mess for a quick second there. And yeah, I'm excited. We haven't gone to this hibachi place in a minute. Honestly, I don't remember the last time we went, but we have some tea to spill. Hi, vloggy vlog. Guess what we are? I don't think we've been here in a minute.
I think the last time was with Katie.
Okay, yeah, that's what I was saying.
Rest in peace. She's alive. Just alive Bennington.
Yeah. Anyways, so I already know what I want. What else you want? Or are you gonna mix it up?
Andy face.
Andy face. I am getting the chicken hibachi platter. What are you getting?
Retweet.
Chicken hibachi platter, period. What do you normally get? Do you normally get shrimp?
No, or, here I got the chicken one, but the other one I think I got shrimp.
Okay.
But for that price, I'm gonna get the chicken.
I hate when the flash comes on. Honestly, yeah, no, it looks like it's just us here. But honestly, I've never been a big fan of whatever the sauce is right here. On the salad. But I do like the soup. It. I'm a fan of the soup. I haven't updated you guys, but we have been having a good chat.
We have a good tea session. It has been a week full of tea.
A week full of tea. Work is stressful, but it's okay. Next week will be even more interesting.
This is a month for the tea. Virgo season.
Virgo season. Yes, sir. Period. Thank you. Thank you. Yum, yum, yum. Speaking of yum, yum. So we left the hibachi place. It was really good. We're both really stuffed. And now Andie's gonna take me back to my place.
Bro, my car is...
She's cleaning out her car right now because it was not guest ready.
Oh, dude, did I just spill that all over the
You
seat?
really did.
Do you want to, like, sit on this bag?
Hold on. And now I'm inside and I'm going to take off all my jewelry, wind down, end the vlog for the night. So yeah, that is going to conclude this video. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you all right back here next time with another video.